I know that I am getting closer to God. So to me, that's one most important because I have been living here in Spain for almost 5 years. This year, almost 5 years, living alone, thriving, thriving, dealing with breast cancer, with all the treatments and everything, living alone. uh, I I only have one great companion in each what do you call each in each hospital visits, and that is God. So I remembered those days when, when before the anesthesiologist put me sleep, when they were like rubbing my head and telling me in Spanish like cielo, like think of a happy moments. And I just closed my eyes and I said, Lord, I trust in you. And I give, I mean, like, I lift everything to you. And yeah, that's like every time, that's what I really do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. PMA, that's the that's the key. Positive mental attitude, I think it really helps a lot to me, the positive mental attitude. And I think, yeah, I love sharing these stories, Rob, because I just want to inspire people that, sometimes we